tips and ideas for your own orchid garden. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the colorful, elegant, and sometimes mysterious world of orchids. Whether you have a large garden, a small balcony, or even just a sunny windowsill, I'll share tips and creative ideas to help you grow a thriving orchid garden at home. Choosing the right orchids. First things first, not all orchids are the same. Some of the easiest for beginners are Phalaenopsis or moth orchids, Dendrobiums, and Oncidiums. They're hardy, bloom beautifully, and adapt well to indoor or outdoor conditions. If you live in a warmer climate, you might explore Vanda orchids, which love hanging baskets and full light. Picking the perfect location. Orchids love bright, indirect light. That means near a window with filtered sunlight or outdoors under a shade cloth. Too much direct sun can burn their leaves, while too little will slow their growth. If you can, group orchids in a spot where they get gentle morning sun and protection from the hot afternoon rays. The right pots and medium. Unlike regular plants, orchids don't grow in soil. They prefer a special mix like bark chips, sphagnum moss, or coconut husk to keep their roots airy and dry between watering. Use pots with plenty of drainage holes, or even decorative hanging baskets, so water doesn't sit around the roots. Watering and humidity. The number one mistake in orchid care is overwatering. A good rule, water once a week, and let the medium dry slightly before watering again. Use room temperature water, and avoid letting water sit in the crown of the plant. If your home is dry, add a humidity tray or mist your orchids in the morning. Fertilizing and feeding. Orchids benefit from a light feeding every 2 weeks during active growth. Use a balanced orchid fertilizer at 1/4. Strength, and remember the phrase, weekly. During winter or rest periods, feed less often. Styling your orchid. Now the fun part, design. Mix orchids with decorative stones, driftwood, or moss for a natural look. Create a tiered display using plant stands, or hang several orchids in a vertical garden. You can even arrange different varieties so that something is always in bloom, giving you color all year round. An orchid garden isn't just about the flowers. It's about creating a relaxing space filled with beauty and life. With the right care and creative touches, your orchids will reward you with stunning blooms and fresh energy in your home or garden. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your orchid tips in the comments. See you next time.